right, this video is going over homework 7.2, question number 6. Review 1 here with this open dot needs compositional functions. And with a number that's placed right here, basically you're going to do whatever function is closest first, and then take that output or result and put it in the back function. In this case, both functions are f. So basically we're going to do f of 3 first, and then put that answer into the f function again. So if I focus on f of 3, that just takes in the input of 3, squares it, and then subtracts 4. So I make x3, square it, subtract 4, and I get 5. So the f function at 3 is 5. So now I'm going to take that answer and put it in the f function again. So f of 5, now if I put 5 here, I'll have 5 squared minus 4. So 25 minus 4, so I'll get 21 total. So you kind of do the f function twice, starting with 3 and then going from there. So letter D, at least for me, I guess, is letter D. 21 is the right answer. Thanks for watching.